Hello. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how very simple it is for a single member of your firm to enroll everybody in your firm from a central account. Now, those of you who have been with us before are familiar with this interface. If you are logged in and have purchased tokens, then you can go into any upcoming events and find a showing of that event and then apply your tokens to enroll in the event. So to take advantage of this functionality, let us know the name of your firm and all of the people in the firm that you wish to enroll centrally. As well, let us know the name of the person who will do the enrolling on behalf of everybody in the firm. We refer to that person in the system as the firm administrator, and they will have a slightly different interface when they come to enroll in a class. They'll find a class, a title they want, and then a particular showing. They'll see an extra button that says Enroll Learners. And when they click on this button, you'll see every person from the staff that you've told us. Notice that, and this is obviously test accounts, but if you imagine all the people in your firm listed here, and then the firm administrator can click here and enroll these individuals, and then click Enroll. Easy peasy. After the firm administrator enrolls these people, they will then receive confirmation emails as if they had enrolled themselves. And if it turns out that after you've enrolled somebody for a particular upcoming event and they say, oh, I can't make it on that date, I need to go into another date, you can easily click on the staff member you have previously enrolled and cancel their enrollment. You can then go into another date and re-enroll that person in the date they can actually attend.